My name is Will Marable. I'm the training director here for the Plumbers and Pipe Fitters, Local Union 372. This week we are the host facility for Bob Kimbrell's competition build, where multiple schools from all over the state come and they work on one project on their own, no teachers, so the mistakes are theirs. Over the course of 2 days, they have to work on leadership skills, and the young men and women that come here do a fantastic job. And the industry reps that come in, they get to see what these local schools are doing, which is a huge recruiting tool for these young men and women.
They've had the plans for a few weeks to get their ideas together, get their schedules together, but they come around, they construct these buildings as a group. They've got a leader, a foreman, a foreperson to supervise everything, keep everybody working, stretch things out. They've got an electrician that works to wire the building. At the end of these 2 days, we'll have a completed storage building that is wired with lighting and receptacles that can be sold to recoup the cost of the contest.
The thing that I like about this event is like we get to communicate with different type of people that we've never seen before. We get to interact with each other and we start to come together. It helps me learn more about the building process. We go through mistakes and we gotta correct them on our own and get more creative. I want to be an architect, and this requires the type of work that I want to do.
We get to show our skills to actual contractors and construction workers, and it can help us potentially in the future if we're looking into a construction job. Everything was built a certain way. There's always been a foundation for everything. It doesn't just have to be a building, but it always starts somewhere, and construction just helps you see a layout of a little bit of everything. Like it can help you organize stuff or figure out how something works. It's just really interesting.
There are 5 schools from across the state of Alabama that are competing here. So this is kind of like our state tournament for construction. It's an amazing, wonderful competition that we have in front of us today, that our kids can come and practice real life skills.
My dad had a construction company when I was growing up. I took a big interest and wanted to learn everything I could. So even since I was 5 years old, my dad and his brothers and some fantastic carpenters were always teaching me things. And decided that it was time to give back when I was 54 and started teaching construction. And it's just a passion of mine, and I'm gonna probably continue to do it until the day I die.
I love me some electricity. It's very, very simple. It's very fun to do. You make good living out of it, great career. You have a lot of fun. You meet new people and go all over the country. I suggest going to the carpenter field. They're fun. Electricity field, it's very simple. If you like it, you do it. If you make a career out of it, you'll have fun. You make good money with both of them. It's just up to you. Just make a good decision. Go build Alabama.